Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 9, practicing the subtraction algorithm. So here I have the problem 524 minus 58. When we subtract, we start by subtracting the ones place value first. Now here we have a problem because I cannot take 8 away from 4. Okay, I need more ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the tens column. And there are two tens there. So I'm going to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Okay, and for that I can just put a 1 next to my ones column because you can see that's 14, right? So I added 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, so now I have 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 equals 6. Okay, so now I add the tens column, or I subtract the tens column. Well, I cannot take 5 away from 1, so I need to look at the hundreds column. I'm going to borrow 100, so the 5 becomes a 4, and add that 100 to my tens column. So now I have 11 tens. So I have 11 tens minus 5 tens equals 6. Okay. And then I have 4 minus nothing is 4. So my answer is 466. Okay. All right. So we want to use the algorithm to find the difference for these ones. So we're going to start with A, and we have 346 minus 264. Okay. So I start with my ones column. And I have enough ones, so 6 minus 4 is 2. Now I look at my tens column. I don't have enough tens to take 6 away, so I'm going to go to my hundreds column, borrow 100, and add it and change it into 10 tens. So now I have 14 tens minus 6 tens. That is 8. Okay, and then 2 minus 2 is 0, so that's my answer is 82. Okay, I'm going to write this up here. All right, let's do the next problem. All right, so I have 219 minus 73. Make sure to line up your place values so you can subtract. All right, well, 9 minus 3 is 6. I cannot subtract 7 from 1, so I need to go to the hundreds. I'm going to borrow 100 and turn it into 10 tens. So now I have 11 tens minus 7, which is 4. And then 1 minus nothing is 1. So my answer is 146. Okay, and let's do the last problem. 600 minus 123. So this one's a little bit different. As you can see, I don't have enough ones to subtract, but I don't have any tens either. So I need to go all the way over to the hundreds place. And I'm going to borrow 100, so 6 becomes a 5, to make 10 tens. And then I need to borrow one of those tens and change it into 10 ones. Okay, so now I can subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So my answer is 477. Okay, so if you don't have enough, if you have 0 tens, make sure you go over to the hundreds place to borrow. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.